In the previous video, I talked about the DND mode, means Do Not Disturb mode on the Galaxy watches. I shared different methods to activate DND mode using various options. In today's video, I will show you how to activate sleep mode on the Galaxy Watch 6, 5 or 4. Similar to DND mode, sleep mode is not a standalone feature. It syncs with your connected smartphone. This means that if you enable sleep mode on your phone, it will automatically turn on your Galaxy Watch and vice versa. Before I explain how to enable sleep mode, let me first tell you the difference between sleep mode and DND mode. Many people think that sleep mode and DND mode are the same feature, but that's not true. These two features are distinct in Galaxy watches and they serve different purposes. Sleep mode is a power-saving state that puts a device into a low power mode to conserve battery life. During sleep mode, the screen is turned off while the device remains on. When sleep mode is activated, DND mode is also activated by default, although you can adjust this setting. On the other hand, the Do Not Disturb mode maintains the device in an active state but silences notifications, preventing interruption. It keeps the device fully operational while ensuring notifications, calls, and text do not disturb the user. When Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, sleep mode will not be activated automatically. Now, I will tell you how you can directly turn on or turn off sleep mode using your Galaxy Watch. In this video, I am using Galaxy Watch 6 for demonstration. Firstly, swipe up on your Galaxy Watch to open the app drawer. Now, tap on Settings. Scroll up and tap on Modes. Here, tap on Sleep Mode. Here you will see two options. The first one is Turn On Now. If you click on this, sleep mode will be instantly activated on your Galaxy Watch 6. As I mentioned earlier, due to synchronization, sleep mode will also be automatically enabled on your smartphone. The second option allows you to schedule your sleep mode. Here you can set specific times, dates, and days according to your preference. The sleep mode will then activate or deactivate based on the schedule you have set. Below that, you will find the option Show on Phone. Tap on it and it will display the sleep mode screen on your connected phone. Here you will have more options than what's available on the Galaxy Watch. From here, you can set your schedule. You will also see the DND mode inside the sleep mode settings. By tapping on it, you can prioritize notifications for calls, messages, and apps according to your preference. This ensures that you don't miss any important notifications. Here you have the option to restrict the usage of any app. You can enable the app that you want to use during sleep mode. Below that, you will find the option to change settings. From here, you can customize the settings according to your preferences. You have options like dark mode, grayscale, power saving, and more. Adjust these settings based on your preferences. Now let's set the timing for sleep mode. For this, we need to tap on the topmost option. Here, you will find two options. In the first one, you can schedule your sleep mode, and at the end of this period, an alarm will ring to wake you up. You can customize settings such as sounds, vibration, and alarm sound for this wake-up alarm. The second option is the time period. When you tap on it, you will get the option to enter specific time. Or you can choose options like sunrise until sunset or sunset until the next day's sunrise. You can customize these settings according to your preferences. Another thing you can customize is the condition. If you tap on it, you will get different options like Wi-Fi or other settings. You can set these according to your preferences. You can't only activate sleep mode on just the Galaxy Watch, as it automatically syncs across devices. So if you set it on one device, then it will be automatically synced to other connected devices. Let's demonstrate this using our Galaxy Watch 6. Swipe down to open the quick settings panel. Here you will see a bed icon representing sleep mode. Tap on it to enable sleep mode. Now observe that sleep mode has been automatically activated on your phone as well. This is all about sleep mode on Galaxy watches. If you liked this video and found it helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more wearable tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching this video.